friends, welcome, it's Rachel here, and today I am sharing a Project Life spread using the Vicki Boutin Print Shop collection. I am loving this collection. I'm finding it very, very easy to use. Even if some colors aren't my colors, this collection just makes these projects so easy to put together. I mean, I've only made probably like 3 or 4 projects with this collection, but it just is like has all the right things I need and use and like. Especially that sticker book. It has tiny word stickers, it has tabs, it has labels, it has titles, it has little hearts and things. It has gold paint splatters. It has everything I need and I love that. And I'm really happy I got this collection. Oh, I am just like pleasantly surprised. Not that I should be surprised, but I just love it. I think it's really versatile. So I'm doing a Project Life spread today, and lots of photos of my cats. If you follow anything of mine, you know I document my cats a lot. Someone jokingly said, because I've been doing this series on Instagram where I do a project every single day, whether it's scrapbook layout or a Project Life spread or a pocket page spread. And someone jokingly said that they're renaming this series Remy Reels because it's basically all about my cat Remy. But I am documenting the summer we got her, and so many of the photos are of her. I'm so behind on my documentation, and so that's just where I am in that, in the summer of 2021. So that's why I'm doing that series over on Instagram, because I'm trying to catch up on things. So a lot of the pictures you'll see lately will have been, you know, my cats. But that's okay. That's part of my life, and looking back, I will be so happy to have all of these pictures documented. So I chose a couple of cut-aparts from the cut-apart sheets. What products do I have? I have both of the ephemera packs. There's like regular ephemera and then like floral kind of ephemera pack. I have these little hearts and stars and dots. I have the like foam titles, the sticker book, and then some of the papers. So that is what I'm working with here today, and I just love how this spread is turning out. And this might be one of my favorite, one of like, I don't know, top 5 or 10 favorite Project Life spreads that I've done. I just love how it came together. You know, not all of my photos are perfect or anything, and I think having nice photos that are very cohesive in the same color palette can really help. But that's just not me. I just put in whatever photos have good memories attached to them, and not necessarily thinking about like the design aspect of it. I just am documenting happy memories. So that's what I'm doing here today. Also, I got this new workout outfit that day, so that's what that photo is about. You know, there's no better motivation than getting a new like activewear set, you know? So yeah, doing a lot of embellishing, mostly on the photos, but there is the one where I do it on the front because it kind of went off of the photo a little bit. Going through these florals here a little bit. I don't think I end up using any of those, just some of the titles from that ephemera pack. But I make really good use of the sticker book, and I just love how there are so many word stickers. It's really handy for me. I love the hearts and the dots and the like, they're like little like foam hearts and dots. I don't know, they're not enamel, they're like foam. So I spread those all around this spread, and I'm just having so much fun with this collection. It lends really well to scrapbook layouts as well, not just Project Life spreads. So I'm having a lot of fun with it. And like I said, it made it really easy to put these pages together. So we have lots of photos of Remy and Harvey being absolutely adorable. And this was Remy, like I said, when we first got her when she was a kitten, and she was only a few months old. And she was trying to just like get used to the place and really, really wanted to be friends with Harvey. And Harvey just kind of is there. Harvey doesn't love it, but Harvey doesn't like attack either. She just lives with it, and Remy just wants to be as close to her as possible and just wants to be best friends. It's kind of funny. This is a picture of Remy in the sink where she shouldn't have been, but she looks like it's kind of like busted. But yeah, just lots of really cute photos of them. And I love the colors. I've been in this Project Life spread, I use a lot of the pinks in the collection, or like yeah, it's like kind of like pink peachy color. And I love that. I put this Me Time sticker on there, kept that one kind of simple. But I usually don't decorate every single card, but here I mostly did. So that was kind of fun. So here is the look of it all. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to link Scrapbook Nerd down below where you can get this collection. I love it. I hope you love it too. And consider subscribing. All right. Hope you have a great day. Bye.